Hey, let me show you how you can customize your workout screen on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So all you have to do during your workout, you will have to slide to the right side, go to the settings and select workout screen. Now we've got first data, second one, and HR zone screen. For the first, we got duration, distance, and steps. And when we tap here, we can change its layout. For example, we can get something like this one or something like this one. So we can actually customize the view. Let's say that I want to get this information. And now, as you can see, I will get additional things like steps, calories, average speed, and stuff like this. And over here, we can also change it. There we go. And now when you click here, we can even change this data. So instead of this one, I can get time. We can find here a lot of things, as you can see. The percentage VO2 max, which is located here, and other things. So now we can just go back, and as you can see, the screen looks different.